Good morning. We're having a bit of a walk around today in this absolutely stunning location. Every one of these little streams, it could all flow with some of the good stuff in it. It's like a gorge, and all of these little outcrops, every one of them will trap gold. That bedrock there, there'll be some gullies and channels in there, even the smallest of cracks be perfect. Just think, you know, when this river's in big flood, that water's going to come flying over there, and if it can compress it, jam it in, low pressure points, anything, there's some of the easiest spots to get to and just start looking. I was also looking on the map, so I do know on the other side there's a couple of what look like pretty good streams that feed into this river. I've just come across one here. It's all very interesting on that side there. Nice waterfall coming in down there. Look at this here, there's some kind of old derelict building here. 1, 2 and 3 there, all feeding. And there's lots of old workings and mines all around this area, and we're on a very good inside line. I mean, this area here looks like it's got potential to have a real good sluice. Lots of moving water and some nice looking areas just to work away. Again, here's all the typical kind of rock just left lying around. Find it so readily. You see, I'd be tempted to try and just work down here with some of these gravels. You've got to be thinking like, well, there's an inside line in big flood. Is it going to come straight here? I know it's going to go that way, but is it going to come here, hit this massive boulder, big low pressure point, and drop things in here? Just done a couple of little test pans in there, found nothing at all, so I'll keep walking around here and seeing what looks interesting. Well, that's not a tunnel, looks like some kind of hearth. Again, it's just off the path. There's a fantastic waterfall there. And this looks like where two of the main rivers meet. Wow, just look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. That is a gorge and a half. Fantastic. I'll just try and walk carefully down here now. This is an absolutely fantastic waterfall. Very loud. Look at that. That's a huge waterfall. The other waterfall's that way. This will be where the old gold mine was here. Got that river now coming from this side, next river from that side. I think I've seen videos on YouTube of people panning here or prospecting. I've been working some crevices there, found little pieces. I've had a good go here because it was all compacted in with pebbles, and I found some pieces there. Nothing major, just little pieces.